So today I'm going to show you how to hide your last scene on WhatsApp. For some of us, we don't want anyone to know the last time we were on WhatsApp. We don't want anyone to see it. So it's quite very easy. So I have my WhatsApp. So the next thing you have to do is go to these three dots at the top right corner of your phone. Click on it, then click on settings. So after I click on settings, you go to the option of privacy. Click on privacy, then you can see it's going to bring it out. So here you can see last seen and online. You click on it. So currently my last scene, everyone can see it. Everyone can see my last scene. Then so because I don't want anyone to see it, I'll just click on nobody. Then choose the option. You can also do it for who can see when I'm online. You can do that for everyone or same as last scene. But most time I just do it for everyone so that everyone can see it. So that's it. That's how just to do it. Thank you very much.